What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, if you can see from the title, we are going to be installing these. Sheesh. Let the vlog begin. Alright, boys and girls, so today we are installing these. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's a little complicated, but it's not complicated. It's pretty simple, so let's just get started. So my truck's a little dirty. We're not going to get into that, but I'm going to show you first things first. Here's the tail light, and here's on the other side. My shell fell out, so that's the reason why we're putting brand new ones in. So first things first, you want to come on in the inside. I'm going to set this up real quick. First things first, you want to make sure that you take this out. It's a clip right here on the side. Pop it on out. Obviously these are your 3 lights to begin with. You basically want to just take off the plug from the bottom part of this whole mechanism right here. It's like a little button that you can press and slide the whole thing out. So there you go, just like that. And now you're going to have a 10 millimeter. As you can see, I got a 10 millimeter right here. You got a bolt right here at the top, and then there's some more in the carpet that we're going to get to as well. It's not really a bolt, it's more like a nut, as you can see. Then you got one right here as well. So to get the carpet out, there's going to be 2 plugs here. I didn't pull that one out, it was already out just now. So it's one more right here, and then you can pull this whole piece out right here. And you can see, you don't have to take out the whole thing, but there's one more bolt nut. What? Right there. Now after you've gotten all 3 nuts out, you should be able to take this out with ease. So let's go ahead and do that. Sheesh. Now I'm just going to clean this out right now, and then we're going to start on the other side. Once I plug everything back in, I'll show you guys. There we have it. We have the first one in. It's got like a little bit of gap situation here. Still gotta fit it in all the way, but I think they might have made this or built this one a little bit smaller. But for now, it's in there. This looks good too. Now it's basically gonna be the same process as you did taking it out but putting it back in. Also, if you get this specific tail light, which I'll be putting in the description down below, it comes with this as well. These are part of the LEDs. All you have to do is take these pieces off and basically stick them to the metal side of the inside of your trunk behind the carpet. And this piece right here is what you will be plugging back into where you unplugged off of this one, if that made any sense. It's literally just like plug and play. The only thing is you gotta glue these to the inside of your car, which we'll be doing now. Just so you guys can see, I got mine literally all 3 stuck up there, and I'm gonna plug everything back into place. Alright guys, just a little bit of situation. It's kind of dark now, which is good, so you guys will be able to see the tail lights in the dark. So what I'm going to do is try to hurry up and get this one in. This was the tail light that I was trying to get fixed because the shell fell off. Was originally why I ended up ordering the new set. So we are going to be putting this in real quick. It's just the same process like I told you guys before. I'm going to show you guys from the outside because it's starting to get dark. So yeah, and my camera's about to die, so let's hurry up.
I always figured a policeman wasn't really a human being.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got both lights in. I'm also going to do the reverse lights. I'm not going to film this because it's really dark and it's already in hassle trying to show you guys this right now. But basically it's pretty simple. You just take the carpet out from right here, You can do like a couple, I'm pretty sure it's like you can do a bolt right there, one right there, and just pull it down. And it's going to be a 10mm bolt, literally to slide this thing out, and you just slide it to the left. I might just show it to you guys just so you can have an idea, and then yeah. All right, so I got this off. You can see everything you need right there. There you go. Basically, you're gonna hit this little tab right there. Can't really, yep, there we go. That tab right there, you're gonna hit it. I'm slow, I was pulling away, I was pushing away. You're supposed to pull towards you and it will come down. And then right there, you can see it's just a 10mm bolt or nut. Just screw that out and then this comes right out. So I got the old one out, that's the old one right there. And this is the new one. Way cooler. Nice tinted dark cherry red. It's gonna look so good. So real quick, I gotta hurry up for the camera does. The front bumper looking really clean and juicy. And then you got these tail lights. Oh my god, they look amazing, bruh. Oh my god, look at this. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. They look awesome. They look great. I'm super happy. The car is dirty, so it's not really helping. But look, we got a little surprise for you, man. My buddy pulled up, man. The homie, the big dog pulled up, man. Y'all ain't never seen a Yada like this. Oh my lord, look at that fit, man. My camera about to die, so this is gonna be the last thing y'all see. This thing is beautiful. Make sure y'all go follow the homie Instagram right here. GTI.Trey. You already know, man. He has my favorite Miata of all time. And that's not even being biased. This thing is just simple and clean. Like, y'all can't tell me this thing ain't nice. And the color, do you know what they call this color or no?
That's that Montego.
Montego?
Montego blue.
That Montego. Look at the shine. I can see my reflection.
Hey man, it's still dirty.
Is it? It's still dirty. Oh man, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow because I gotta charge this. I'm about to go get some food, and yeah, we'll wrap the video from there when we can see it in the daytime, clear as day, all that. So yeah. All right, guys. The next day, obviously, the unfortunate part is it's raining, so I don't know how this is gonna work. But I'm gonna make it work. Let me get the car going for you guys so you can see those tail lights, man, because it's awesome. All right, here we go. These things look so good, man. Tell me what you guys think. I absolutely love them. I think the LED upgrade was definitely good. It just looks so much better, fresher, newer, all that. So tell me what you guys think, man, seriously. Alright guys, this is gonna wrap up the video for the day. I'm actually about to go take photos of this car with the new tail lights and the front bumper completed. The car just looks brand new and fresh, so I really want to just get some quick shots and whatever I can while I can. So we're just gonna wrap the video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I know I say it every time, but it really does help me. It really does help me if you guys like the video. Seriously, because my videos get pushed out more, and more people can see it and get a chance to go on this journey with us. Like, the Beamer won't be the only car that we will buy and build on this channel, so more to come. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes sir.